Introducing Kuroi Hana, the black flower. Japanese steel combined with futuristic London design. Finely crafted, 67 layers of Japanese steel, angular design, smooth transitions, pieces of art, yet supremely sharp, for inspiring cooking. Hello, I'm Freddie, founder of Edge of Belgravia. We're a small London-based knife company. We have launched over 5 knife ranges. We have won great acclaim by design bloggers and magazines. To name a few, the Wired magazine, GQ, Forbes, Goop and Monocle. We've used this experience to launch our most ambitious product ever, the Kuroi Hana, the black flower. This design makes references to contemporary design cues, angularity, smooth transitions, impact. The finely etched floral pattern on the blade is reminiscent of the perfectly manicured Japanese garden. Although they look fantastic, the question is, how good are they to use? We decided to put our prototype to the test. We've asked one of London's most wanted chefs, Ollie Dabou. He agreed to put them to the test in his Michelin star restaurant, Dabou.
So cutting ability, we used various items to test it on, from sort of crisp things like apples or onions to kind of softer ones such as salmon. Each time, zero resistance, just went straight through. The thing you chop a lot of in kitchens and peel a lot of is onions. But similarly, I wanted to test it out with the chive curls. Here we split chives into about 4, so it's literally almost like splitting a hair. You're taking something very thin, making it thinner still. Everyday items, you know, bread, salmon, onions, whether you're a professional chef or cooking at home, these are things you can be chopping, you know, probably quite regularly. And so it's good to make the test relevant. From the smallest knife to the largest, just makes your life that little bit easier when you're cooking. You know, if you've got good kit, it feels like a treat, to be honest. Like I come in to the kitchen and cook every day. You know, it's kind of like, you know, driving to work in a Ferrari, that kind of thing. You know, it's just make something simple, you know, feel special.
We believe that this is the key to inspiring cooking. Instead of a single chef knife, we have designed a full set of 6 knives for this project. Each knife is suited to a specific task and has a specific purpose. Big is better, versatile, for bread, for precision, because it rocks, and for slicing. So why are we on Kickstarter? Kuroi Hana, with its high-quality Japanese steel, is our most exclusive range to date. Unfortunately, the working capital commitments are very large. Being a small but fast-growing company, we simply cannot afford to launch production. The design and tooling is ready, but we need your help to run the first production batch. We need at least $30,000 to make this happen. What's in it for you? At full retail price, Kuroi Hana would cost you $1,100. As a backer on Kickstarter, you will receive the full set of Kuroi Hana knives for just $299. You save $800. We plan to deliver your Kuroi Hana set in October 2017. This is just in time for Christmas and may be an appreciated gift to yourself or your loved ones. If you're one of the first 200 backers, you'll receive a free Black Diamond knife block. We hope you're as excited about Kuroi Hana as we are. Together we'll make it happen. Please pledge for your set now.
Cooking should be a joy. It's more than just a means to a meal, it's a tangible experience. It's a chance to create, to decompress, to connect. It doesn't take special training to find joy in cooking at home. No matter where you're starting, anyone can make a meal they're proud of. But ask any chef and they'll tell you the most important tool in the process is your chef's knife.
I'm not a professional chef, but I love to cook. I love cooking at home for friends and family. And over the years, I've found how much more enjoyable it is when I have the right tools. This is especially true when it comes to having a really great chef's knife.
What you do in the kitchen mostly involves your chef knife. All the prepping, cutting, slicing, and all that stuff, it can feel like a chore if you've got a crummy knife. Whereas when you've got a really good chef knife, it feels good. You look forward to it. To help bring joy back to the kitchen, we spent the last 2 years creating what we believe is the best chef knife in its class, the Concours chef knife.
It all starts with the core. We wanted to make an incredibly sharp knife that would stay sharp for a long time without sharpening.
That's why we chose to use Osten Still, produced only in Tsubame, Japan, known the world over for its ability to hold an edge.
Next, we focused on balance. A well-balanced knife will feel like an extension of your hand. You'll instantly notice the way the knife seems to know what you want it to do. In fact, kan in Japanese means intuition or sixth sense. And we named it that because we wanted a blade that would do exactly what you wanted it to do.
And of course we wanted this knife to be beautiful. The Osten core is clad between 66 layers of Damascus stainless steel and is paired with your choice of beautiful dark ebony wood or an extremely durable G10 composite handle.
Once we had a design we were happy with, we gave the Concours chef knife to some professionals to put it to the test and get their feedback.
I like the Con knife because it's very meticulously balanced. It has a great rocker action on it, razor sharp, and very easy to maintain.
So I've been using the Concours chef knife for about a month now. Haven't had to sharpen it at all. I'll take it to the hone every day, but it stays really sharp, feels great in the hand. It's a really comfortable knife to use. It's weighted beautifully.
This knife, sharpen it once, holds its edge, doesn't need a lot of maintenance.
It was extremely sharp, which is what we want. You could take that super ripe tomato and just slice it, paper thin slices.
Stand in the daily grind that I have to go through of working with this thing in my hand all the time, and the way it fits, the way it balances, the way it's sharp, it's a pretty cool knife.
We really want to get people back into the kitchen and enjoy the benefits of home cooking. Now maybe you'll eat a little healthier or save some money, but it's all about cooking and sharing a piece of you with the people that you love. There's no better way to build relationships than sharing a good meal together.
But we really need your help. Osten Still is only produced in Tsubame, Japan.
By placing a large enough order, we'll be able to bring down the cost on these knives. A knife like this would normally cost hundreds of dollars, but by cutting out the middleman and going directly through Kickstarter, we'll be able to get this knife into as many hands as possible because we want you to love the way you cook.